Hello friends, welcome back to Bosle Mac Tutorials. Today I came with a new video, how to make the automatic hand sanitizer machine. In this video, I used some components I will discuss later, and for this you just need the basic electronics, and if you have little bit C programming knowledge, then you can successfully do this project in your home itself, and this can be installed at your college, office, or any other public places. And also and also it's a very economic project. Let us see what are the components used, and how connections are made, and I will show the complete working of this machine. Okay friends, now I will show what are the components are required. It's a IR sensor and relay and Arduino board. Arduino, it's a Arduino UNO, and tester and motor. It's a 24-volt DC motor. If you want, you can use 9-volt motor also, and some jump wires, and it's a wire for programming and laptop. In that, this Arduino 1.6.5 they installed, or now there is a latest softwares also. It's a 110 or 120 MB. That's it. This should be installed, and from that software only we are programming in this Arduino UNO. And this is the setup for my project. This is a cardboard. This from I collected from my home only, and that's a 5-liter box for sanitizer, and this is a saline pipe for water flow regulation, and I already here fixed the IR sensor. Now I will show the connections, and I will show how to get output, and then this setup I will install in this box, and I will show the working of this machine. Okay friends, let us see what are the connections, how the connections will done. Okay friends, now I will show how I have done connections. See friends, it's a here is a 5-volt which is connected to this orange wire, and this wire is connected to this black wire, and this is connected to this 5-volt of this sensor, and this yellow wire is connected to ground. Here also in Arduino board also it is connected to ground, and in sensor also it is connected to ground. And after this black wire which is connected to output, it is connected to the 7th port. According to this only we have done programming. Okay, and from this 13 and from this ground we are getting output. For that outward confirmation I am connecting this small LED to this 7, 13 and ground. Now let us see the programming. See friends, I have done programming, and I will connect it to this to Arduino board, and I will upload now. See friends, first of all I will compile it, and I will upload. See friends, here done uploading is done. Now let us see the working. See friends, how output is getting. as I bring my hand nearer to this IR sensor, this this will emit the IR sensors, which will reflect by my hands, and it is collected by this receiver, and then it will send the signals, then this from this to here. See friends, how it works. Same output, instead of this LED, this 13 port is connected to this relay, and for a relay on off we are using this concept. Now I will install this setup to this in this box, and I will show the complete working of this automatic hand sanitizer machine. Okay friends, see friends, this is my complete machine is ready. See here, this is a Arduino board, and it is connected to relay. It's a 4-set relay. I have that 4 relay, that's why I have connected. There is only one relay is required, and there is a 5-liter can in this sanitizer is stored. And see friends, how compact I have done this. For this Arduino, I have given the power supply of my computer itself, and for that motor I have given the power supply of this from this USB. Friends, from here we can pour the sanitizer. Okay, now let us see the working of this. See friends, like this sanitizer is taken, and we can clean our hands. See friends, how it's working. See friends, like this we can clean our hand, we can maintain the. Now let us I have 2 visitors, they can also take the good experience of this automatic hand sanitizer. This is my mom using this automatic hand sanitizer. See friends, like this you can use this automatic hand sanitizer, and by regulating this you can control the sensitivity of this. And I have one more visitor, my friend Malinath. He can also taking the experience of this automatic hand sanitizer. Okay friends, this is a very simple project. You can also do this in your home itself, and make it for your home or office purpose or college purpose. Thank you for watching friends. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.